Still at ISIFE EDUBLOG, and the topic remains vowels. We are looking at the first 6 monothongs. The first 6 monothongs. They include E, O, and O. Which examples I shall give on the course of the class. Now, the first one is E. Say me, legal. You can see that the E produces the sound in this, the underlined word, letters. Legal. So it is not legal. The word is legal. The secret, meal, clean, peace, people, orthopedic. This is mostly wrongly pronounced amongst Nigerian users, where we say orthopedic. The word is orthopedic. Say encyclopedia, machine. The I is E, machine. Police. Some erroneously say please. The O is not silent. It is police. Then you have marine. Still, the one vowel E with the I in marine. Now, number 2 is the short vowel E. Now, here, the length of the vowel is shorter than the first. Say bitter, single, women, not woman. The word is women. Market, passage, manage, busy, not busy, minute. Both the I and the U, just as we have the U and the Y in busy, so we have the I and the U in minute. Biscuit. I did not say biscuit. I said biscuit. The stress should be on the first syllable. Guilty. Most of our people will say guilty. It's not guilty, it is guilty. With the stress again on the first syllable. Now say enjoy, not enjoy. The E is E, so it is enjoy. Examination, not examination. Just as you have it in example, not example. That is for the second one, number 2. And number 3, say Examples include dance. I've heard some people who would prefer to say dance. Please, the word is not dance, it is dance. Glance, ask, task, bath. These days I hear people say bathroom. Please, it is not bathroom or bedroom. The word is bathroom. Say father, plant, past, cast, glass, park, memoir. A story that depicts your daily experience is called a memoir. A book that contains somebody's daily experience, notable experiences, is called a memoir, not memoir. Reservoir. The same pronunciation is used for abattoir. Okay, that's for number 3. And number 4, we have the short vowel R. It is in man, lad, man, lad, pack, back, marry, marriage, marriage. I didn't say marriage. It is marriage. Carry, carriage, candle, candle, and pass, and pass. The I is pronounced R, and pass. Plat, plat. Don't mind the fact that Americans would prefer to say plait. The word by British standard is pronounced plait. That is to make your hair. I want to plait my hair. Don't mind me. I know men also plait these days, so it wouldn't be out of place if I say I should plait. Okay? In the same vein, this word is pronounced plaid. Plaid. So, plaid, plaid, and pass, candle, carriage, carry, marriage, marry, back, pack, lad, man. That's for the short vowel R, which we label number 4. Then we have number 5. Number 5 is the long vowel O. This word is mostly pronounced glory, but it is not glory. It's pronounced glory. Say glory. Story, not story. Story. Door. Paw. Before now, the word paw was first pronounced as pue, but in modern English, it is better pronounced as paw. Paw. So the first pronunciation you find in any good dictionary today is this, paw. Why this might be left as a second option, but I do not like to use the second option because I believe I should be the first. So, the word is paw. Say taught. Taught, the past tense of teach. Caught, the past tense of catch. Thought. Thought. Be mindful of the fact that this is thought and this is taught, so you don't pronounce the two of them as if they were the same. Board. Almanac. Almanac. A book containing pictures and messages about a particular company or organization is called almanac. One of the features of the almanac is the calendar. But today, most of us will say the calendar. No, the calendar is just the part of the almanac that shows date. But the entire magazine or whatever showing pictures and members of an organization is called almanac. Say court. Court. Or. People will say, don't rest on your oars. No, the word is not oars, it is oars. Oars. Alright? Oars. And Arabic teachers would say that sandy soil is coarse. The word is not coarse, it is coarse. Coarse. Law. Raw. Quickly, I will give you vowel number 6, which is the short vowel O. We'll look at number 6, which is the short vowel O. Number 5 is the long vowel O, and 6 is O. Now, may I inform you that vowel number 6 does not exist in American English. What is the implication? The implication is that here is God. The American will not pronounce, a typical American will not pronounce God. They rather would pronounce God. God. Because the short vowel O does not exist in the American English. They substitute with either these, are, or these, or. So, while they pronounce God as God, they pronounce dog as dog. Is that understood? So, do not feel inferior when a Binto tells you, oh my God. That person is using the American English. You say, oh my God. That is the British standard. And so here we have God, dog, cough, trough, trough, watch. Remember that T-O-U-G-H will be pronounced differently. T-O-U-G-H will be pronounced tough. Tough. That's not this. This is trough. Trough. Watch. Wasp. Not wasp. Wasp. Want. Not want. Wash. Gone. Now again, there's a resemblance. D-O-N-E is pronounced done, while G-O-N-E is pronounced gone. Gone. Here we have bottle. Bottle. And here is quarry. Quarry. This is bomb. Bomb. So, to summarize our lesson of the first 6 monothongs, we've told you of the long vowel E, which was our number 1. I'll give you a good number of examples, including me, including secret, police, and all of that. Then we had number 2, beta, single, women, market. Number 3 was R, for dance, for chance, for father. Number 4, R, man, lad, and all that. 5 was O, for glory, for thought, for almanac, for cause, cause. And then we had number 6, O, for God, for want, for wasp, for quarry. In our subsequent lessons, of course, the next session will learn the last 6 vowels. Thank you for following these videos and making the best of them. Remember to visit this channel of ours, subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.